You got to keep your blades sharp. So we're not milling today. We're trying to catch up on some blade sharpening. And I think we've got plenty of them. I'll show you the blades we have stacked up. There's two getting ready. And there's the blades we got there. And we got about 8 or 10 up there. And we got a stack of them over here to sharpen. So we got a lot of blades to set and sharpen. And this is a setter. And we'll get them all set after we get them all sharpened. Just thought we'd show you what we do when we ain't milling. We're doing maintenance and sharpening. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Now we're going to do a little tooth setting. Got these about 20. This is a double tooth setter. You can go pretty quick. These ain't off that much. Setting 2 teeth at a time. Setting about 20 on both dials. So that's how that works. So that's done. It don't take very long to go around with a double tooth setter. Alright, we appreciate y'all watching.